Hi guys, today we're going to be using the stencil cutting machine. We're going to make a little wooden plaque with the Thrive CIC logo on it. So that's what's going to cut our stencil out, and then we're going to add the stencil to the piece of timber and create our own Thrive CIC wooden plaque. Right, so while your stencil is cutting, we're just going to start preparing our piece of timber. First of all, you need to cut it into size. Once we've got it to the correct size, then what we need to do is we need to sand down all the edges and the surfaces. The smoother the surface, the better the stencil will take. So now we've got that done, we are now going to stain our piece of wood. Now the top is stained, we're just going to dry it and then we'll do the same on all the other sides. So now, as you can see, our timber is stained really light brown, which means the stencil will take a lot better. So the machine's finished. I should just go and grab the stencil. Right, so this is Thrive CIC. We're going to transfer this from this piece of paper onto the wood. So first thing what we do is we will stick this onto our timber using an adhesive. To make sure all the edges are stuck down properly to stop the spray paint from bleeding, which means just going underneath the paper. Now that's stuck on, we use our spray paint to transfer the logo. When using spray paint, you should always wear a mask and be in a well ventilated room. So now what we're going to do, we're going to remove the paper and hopefully see it's bled a little bit, but we can rectify that by using a little bit of white paint to give it an outline. We have our 5 CIC little wooden plaque which can be hung